This is your Noob.Artist. I'm here with another tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create this abstract. Let's dive in. So I'm going to delete these defaults and let's just add our UV sphere. Mm, Let's add it as emitter and shift D to duplicate it with the x-axis and this as a particle. So for our abstract, our particles need to be a very low poly. So I'm going to decrease our edges in this sphere. For that, I'm going to use a decimate modifier. I'm going to lower value for 0.05. This is the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to apply this. And then let's add our bevel modifier so that we can have a smooth edges. And then I'm going to use as a yeah, cycles render so it will have a nice reflection. So let's apply this also and let's shape smooth. For now, this is our particles. So let's add our particle system. I'm going to leave it as emission and then 50,000 number I want. And then the lifetime will be 250 and same as our timeline. And then lifetime will be 50 frames more than that because we don't want our particles lifetime before our timeline header. So let's add our emission material to our particle. So let's go into render and change into object. Let's select our object. So you can see our particle falling very quickly. So I'm going to change that. Let's go to our gravity to point. So it's little bit slowing. And now this is what I wanted. So our particles has no randomness. So let's add our rotation randomness. This one and this two one. Let's add a dynamic also. You can see our particle, each particles have a separate randomness rotation. Scale to one. And now I'm going to add a force. I'm going to add a four different types of forces. The first one is vortex. So before that, let's select this emission and press N for this view. So you can see how the size is very big. I'm going to decrease so that in the render regions, it will be disappear. I'm going to select our particle and scale this down. So you can see in the vortex, I'm going to change over to 1.2 and this is 1.5. Let's see what it does. So basically, this vortex gives our particle a spinning motion. Let's stop right here and add a second force field, and this will be force. So what it does is keep our forces concentrated and also keep them together. To a strength of 5 and flow of 10. Let's see what it does. So it creates particles like separates them everywhere. So let's add our third forces as drag. So what it does is keep our particle together. The reason why I'm adding two because of our last force field. So so that will be very strong. So I'm going to add this drag and linear and both two. So coming to our last force, turbulence. So this force actually gives us the abstract looking shape and force size as 1 and flow as 5. Let's see what it does. Yeah, finally we have our abstract scale. So let's hide our forces. So this is what we wanted, but we need to give our particles a shading. Let's select this, go to shading, and I'm going with this one. Let's add a new and select blue color. Okay, I have an idea. So let's delete this and give a glass piece. So random nesting point 2 and we give our glass value. And then if we look at this, it will look as clear as possible. Let's add a light. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.